hear all the birds. This is lovely, guys. I can hear a distant plane, probably going to Stansted. But that's it, it's really nice. This is lovely, guys. Absolute bliss. It's really mild, it's not cold. It's also not raining at the moment. If it does rain, I'm going to get really wet. I am, as you see. I haven't got a brolly. I've got a woolly pulley tied around, or cardigan tied around my waist. But I didn't bring a umbrella or a coat today. So we might get a bit moist. But it doesn't matter because I can go home and get changed. And you can see my figure on this one, and that is me, guys. All my swelling has gone down now, got no swelling at all. I'm applying the oil to my my breasts and the scars underneath. Scars are virtually gone. Unbelievable, guys. They're really healing quickly. Very small incisions as well. I'm amazed how they've done what they've done with such small incisions. That's incredible, guys. It looks like they've been chopping some trees down here, guys. There's some that side of the track and some just behind me there. So whether a tree fell across the track or they're just felling trees, I don't know. But it has churned the track up a little bit, as you can see. It's a bit muddy. Let's get across. I have got my welly boots on, so we're okay. I want to sort the leaves out. There we go. This is lovely, guys. Now there's somewhere up here. This is Arger Fen and Spouse's Vale. They're both nature reserves. They're both interconnected. But there is a particular place at Spouse's Vale that I absolutely love. And it's up the top of a hill. So by the time you get there, you are huffing and puffing. But there's a bench. And there's a plaque on the bench dedicated to Edith Vale. And it says, Edith Vale, who loved this place. And it's such a tranquil location. Whenever I walk up there, I always sit down on this bench and just sit there and just listen. Listen to the birds, watch things going on. And it's bliss. And I've always said that when I die, I'd love my ashes to be scattered there, because it's just such a beautiful location, such a beautiful place. Right, guys, I'm going to sign out now and continue with my walk, and I shall speak to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.